In the last 3 days, SuperRare's rare token has surged nearly 200%. But now, a slight correction is setting in. So what's next? Is this just a dip before another big pump, or the start of a longer cooldown? Let's break it down. On the weekly chart, Rare has been trading inside a rising wedge, and historically, its breakouts from such patterns have led to major rallies. Now, it has also broken out of a falling wedge pattern, which is typically a bullish signal. So, can Rare pump another 200 to 300% in the coming days or weeks? Let's look at the fundamentals. The market cap has dropped to just around $70 million, giving it a lot of room to grow if bullish momentum returns. On the technical side, both the 1-month and 1-week charts look strong. The recent bounce came after retesting support around the $0.047 zone, which held firm. Indicators like the RSI and MACD are also showing bullish signals across multiple time frames. So what's the short-term game plan? If you're looking to trade, the key support to watch is the $0.047 area. As long as the price holds above that level, we could see a move back toward recent highs. And if momentum builds, a price range between $0.12 and $0.15 is possible in the coming weeks. Rare price prediction for 2025? If fundamentals stay strong and adoption continues, we could see Rare trading between $0.40 to $0.60, possibly even higher if the NFT and Web3 art space explodes again. But remember, always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.